Hey everyone, it's Brian here. Today I'm coming on to do a tutorial that I've done before a couple times on my channel on how to make a Memdex card with no dies whatsoever and no special tools even. And not only am I doing this, I'm going to do it two different ways today. Two different ways. So the reason I'm doing this is because I have a spring-themed memory deck swap going on my Facebook group right now, Beanie Craft Some More, which I'll link below in the description box of this video. And people are wondering how to make a memory dex card because they've never really either heard of it, or they don't have the dies for it, or they think they don't have the tools for it. So I decided I'm going to come on here today and show you two different ways to do this, and both ways will have a pocket in the back. So the first way is to get a square piece of cardstock 4 inches by 4 inches and one piece that measures 4 inches by 3 inches, and we're going to go ahead and get some tape. And we're going to go ahead and put that on. We're going to tape only 3 sides. Because the top part, the 4th side. So what you're going to really want to do is tape both of the 3-inch sides and one 4-inch side, so you can have that pocket going along the top. And I'll actually put 2 pieces on that 4-inch side, so when we put the holes in there, it won't be open down there. So I'm just going to rip off this tape real quick, because I can't find my scissors, even though I just cleaned up. Oh, there they are. If you're new to my channel, I always lose stuff, because I'm chronically disorganized until today. Okay, so we're going to take this tape off. And then we can line it up against one of the sides here on this 4-inch square piece. Do like so. And there we go. And now to do the the little holes, what we're going to do is grab a scoring stylus or a bone folder, whichever you may have. I'm just going to use scoring stylus this time. And I'm going to go ahead and go maybe like not quite a ½ inch. Score from top down, not quite ½ inch on the 1 inch. No, I'm sorry, not the 1 inch, 1/2 inch mark, and the 2.5 inch mark. And then, of course, we're going to see how I did. It looks like I did all right. As you can see here, you got a 1/2 inch score mark and a 2.5 inch score mark, down to about 1/2 inch. Then what we're going to do is go ahead and grab just a regular single hole punch. And we're going to go ahead and get to the top of that top of that 1/2 inch there. Find out where I am again. And probably what we should do is mark this with a pen as well. In fact, you don't really need to score this per se. Just mark it with a pen. That way you can see things better. And then we're going to go up and make sure that that hole will be in the middle. Like so. And that's not quite in the middle, but it'll be all right. And you're going to want the top of this hole to match the top of this line you drew as well. And then what we're going to do is get some regular pair of fussy cut scissors. And we're going to go ahead and cut on either side of that mark you made. Leave maybe like 1/8 of an inch on both sides. And there you go, you have a Memdex card. And now we're going to do another one real quick. The simpler method, even simpler than that. We're just going to take a piece of 4-inch by 7-inch cardstock or pattern paper and just simply score at 4 inches. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab some double-sided tape. And on the 3-inch part of the scored paper, here's 3-inch mark, or you just scored to the left, on the 3-inch part, you need to put your tape on both sides of the short end. We don't need to put tape down here because that's the top of the pocket, and we don't need to put tape down here either at the bottom of the 4-inch side because it's already going to fold. So, like I said, this is the easiest part on the easiest card Memdex to do simply because all you're going to do is score once instead of having to cut a bunch of different things. So yeah, that's why it's easier this way. Okay, that's off just a little bit, but I don't care really because of the fact that nothing's perfect really in life. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead, same as before, go to 1.5 inch mark. Go ahead and draw a line to about 1/2 inch down. And then once again, 2.5 inches, go ahead, go down to about 1/2 inch. Make sure you got about 1/2 inch, and you do. And now we're going to grab our hole punch, and the top of your mark, where it meets about 1/2 inch, will be your top part of your hole. And we want to make sure the hole is centered as well, just like before. There we go. And trim off about 1/8 of an inch on either side of your mark. And there you go, you have yourself a Memdex card again. So now all you gotta do is decorate it as you wish, either way. And then you can decorate both sides actually, and go ahead and put your information in like an ATC card or something and stick it in the back here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe and ring that bell for all notifications. And I'll see y'all again real soon. Bye.